first step to manifesting something is to know what it is that you actually want. It helps to be explicit about your desire, whether it's a material thing, an achievement, or even a way that you want to feel. Once you have that, the next piece is refining your mindset. To refine your mindset, think clear thoughts about what you want in the present tense. Instead of thinking, say, I want to buy a $1 million beach house one day, train your mind to believe that it's possible by using affirmations that frame the desire in the present, like, I have a $1 million beach house. By thinking about and visualizing a desire as if it's already true, you're normalizing it. You're rewiring your brain to both believe that it's possible and that it's possible for you. A lot of the work I do with my clients is to help them rewire their brains in this way. Then the next piece is reframing your emotions about the desire. I believe that everything is energy, our thoughts and our emotions especially, and all energy is vibrations on different frequencies. So part of making the thing that you want come into your physical reality is sending out energetic vibrations that are on the same frequency as the thing that you want. And to do this, work to feel as if you have what you want in the now. Whether I want to, let's say, hit a career milestone, find a soulmate, or help save the environment, I can walk around and try to imagine what would that actually feel like. Then I do my best to create that feeling within myself as often as possible. So my body starts sending out energy that matches that reality. It's like playing an ongoing game of make-believe, essentially. Once you're in the place where you have your mindset and your emotions in alignment, then you move into taking action. Most people just set a goal and then take action. That can definitely work, but it's often coming from a place of ego or conditioning. Oftentimes we're simply doing the things we think we should be doing without checking in whether it's actually what we want. They're missing the middle pieces of aligned thoughts and emotions. So when you take action from an aligned place where you believe that what you want is truly possible, the action you'll take is much more inspired and very powerful. It's often more intuitive. This type of action feels better, it's easier, and you can put it into a wonderful state of flow. The last step is a combination of gratitude and surrender. It can seem like paradox because what I'm asking you to do is to believe that something is possible for you, that you already have it, and then release all attachment to it. So this is one of those subtleties of manifestation where a ton of the magic happens. It can look like taking action on your desire as you have organic ideas towards it, following your intuitive urges, but then simultaneously choosing to completely let go and detach from your sense of self. It seems wildly counterintuitive, but when you become so absolutely certain that something that you want will be yours, you can relax because you trust that it's coming. And when you relax, you emit this grounded, clear, celebratory energy where what you want is most likely to show up and show up sooner. So when you're too attached to a desire, you send out this white knuckle grip kind of controlling energy, which can block the manifestation. It's one of the ways we typically get in our own way. We have to learn to be grateful, to learn how to receive and surrender. It's putting trust in yourself, trusting that you're worthy, trusting that it's possible, trusting the universe to work in your favor.